Hey everybody, welcome back to Roadhouse. Today we're going to be doing a little, about a 5-pound chicken on the Weber. I'm going to set up the rotisserie and do a little indirect rotisserie cooking on there. I'm going to inject this with some SuckleBusters. Probably going to put a clucker dust, and I'll see what else we're going to use. So let me get this thing opened up, put in the pan. I'll meet y'all back here in a minute. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Alright, so I decided what I'm going to put in my rub. I put about a half a stick of butter, just a little shot of hot water. Melted that butter in the microwave. I'm going to use, like I said, the SuckleBusters, the Clucker Dust, and we're going to go with a little bit of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, baby. So what we're going to do, I'll come right here. All I'm going to do, gang, we're going to put some Clucker Dust in here. About that much. And a little bit of Gator Shake in there. About that much. And the rest we're going to use on the outside of the chicken. So we'll mix all this up. And we'll get this bird injected. How about that? Alright, let me reposition so y'all can see me here. I'll be right back. Alright gang, we back. We got our little needle loaded up. We're going to start back here. Just put your little squirt in there and move it around a few inches. You see it plump up a little bit. Oh, that butter in there looks good, y'all. And just repeat the process there. And make sure you got your pretty good sized needle on your injector. If not, this stuff's gonna get clogged up in there. But just like that, y'all. Hit them thighs, back of them wings and stuff. Oh yeah, all that goodness in there. All right, gang. I'm gonna get this finished injecting this chicken here, and then I'll check back with y'all in a minute. All right, we got this dude injected with our SuckleBusters Clucker Dust and Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. I did the back side already, and we're just gonna put us a generous portion Clucker Dust on the outside. And I did rub the little bit of injection I had in the container there, the butter and stuff. I rubbed the skin with that. So, all right, y'all, put us a good coat on here. Good, that's good stuff. And then the Gator Shake. And then I'm going to light the grill. And we're going to let this dude marinate a little while the grill comes up to temp. And I'll meet y'all back here in a little bit. Alright, y'all, the grill's up to temp. Bird's been on about 20-30 minutes. Let's check and see what we got here. Oh, what? Looking good, y'all. Looking good. Very good. We'll let it go a little while longer, and we'll check back and check some temp on this thing here in a little bit. So we'll be back. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Let's see what we got. Been about another hour or so. 1:41. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna let it go a little while longer, I guess, y'all. Cut the rotisserie back on here. Looking good, smelling good though. Looking very juicy. Alright, welcome back. Chicken's doing this thing. We got just a couple little bunches of asparagus, and we're gonna hit that with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, y'all. I'll toss that around in there a little bit, and then we're gonna wrap that with some bacon here. We're gonna hit that with some Gator Shake, because you know that's good. You can't beat that, bro. SuckleBusters and Uncle Steve's Gator Shakes, y'all. All of their rubs are good. All right, let's go check the grill, y'all. All right, y'all. Been about another hour or so. Bird's looking good, smelling good. I think we want to check us a little bit of temp right here. So let's see how this bird's doing. Yeah, tender. 154, we're getting there. Whoa, y'all look at that juice. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to dive into this thing. And 159 on that side. It's getting there, y'all. Not bad, man. I'm gonna let it roll a little bit longer. I think I'm gonna throw my sausage and stuff on here. Let's see what we got here. Let's put our Polk sausage here, and I got a little piece of lanyard. There you go. And then we're gonna throw our bacon wrapped asparagus on there while this bird finishes cooking. So might have probably maybe 40 minutes or so. There we go, baby. There we go. Now, I'm gonna start the rotisserie back up here and get her going and get this cook finished up, y'all. So we'll check back here in just a minute. Since the last time y'all was here, outside anyway, I got my deck stained. Came out nice, y'all. Got some new flowers and stuff. Got me a little square case blower fan there. Keep moonshine cool when it sits in the captain's chair up there. So we're just waiting on the chicken to get done. I need to hurry because it looks like it's about to rain. We'll be back, y'all. Yeah, I just want to show y'all my deck lights. Nice little ambience out here on the deck, y'all. Waiting on chicken, we'll be back. Well, y'all, it wasn't supposed to rain today, but look at that sky, man. Alright. So, let's check this chicken one more time, y'all. Let it make the rotation there. The asparagus and sausage is done. I'm about to pull that junk off of there. Come on, chicken. Talk to me, sweet lips. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing and let it rest a minute, y'all. At 172 on the back. 173. Alright, let's get all this stuff pulled off, y'all. I think we'll be alright. Alright, y'all. We finally got the chicken done. Well, it looks good. Let's check these wings. Yep, I'd say that's done, y'all. Pull right off. Check the little leg here. Oh yeah, I'd say that's done too. What y'all think about that? Cut that little skin. Look at that. That's good. Alright. Now, boy, that smells good. Let's check his breast. Man, seeing that breast squirting everywhere. Nothing wrong with that. Look, nice and juicy. Y'all see that? We're gonna put that right there. We're gonna cut another one here. And it's still hot. I didn't let it rest. We got to get to eat on, y'all. It's getting late. Oh yeah, some of that injection in there. Y'all see that? Heck yeah, man. Y'all come up here. Let's get a little bite so we can dish up and all that good stuff. So, hey, cheers to you guys. That's that's juicy and it's hot. SuckleBusters Clucker Dust and Uncle Steve's Gator shake. Now that is a good combination. Finally looking good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's check that leg down. That chicken leg. Nice, huh? Let's get a bite of that dog meat, see how we did, gang. Oh man, y'all, that's hot. Oh my gosh. Nice buttery. Taste that clucker dust, a little heat, a little salt. Uncle Steve's Gator shake. Oh man, what? Now that's a hookup. No doubt. Still smoking, gang. Nice and juicy, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get out of here. Oh, let me show you the asparagus turned out good too. Look. Asparagus and sausage. There. Y'all come down here and see this. That turned out good too. Heck yeah, man. Alright gang, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna plate up. And appreciate y'all coming along. Just, you know, a little rotisserie cook. Oh yeah, let's see a little seasoning inside. I'm gonna show y'all that here. I'm gonna get some pics of that. But hey, love y'all. Appreciate y'all stopping by the Roadhouse, and we'll catch y'all next weekend. Bye bye.